guys, good morning pa. 11:24 in the morning here sa US. And then yes, I'm changing clothes. Nagbibihis ako because we're going somewhere today. We will be going to Houston today. Guys, kasi ibisita namin yung mom ng asawa ko. And mom has a doctor's appointment today. So meron siyang, ano tawag ito, check-up. And my husband and I will be going there. So that will be like more than an hour of drive na naman. Bibisita kami. Alam ko, hindi nyo nakikita si mom sa vlog. Somebody was making a comment. I think that was Mom Ami asking kung bakit hindi daw kami doon nag-Thanksgiving with my in-laws. So wala po akong father-in-law, okay? Kasi patay na yung papa ni husband. So yung meron dito is yung mother-in-law and then yung sister-in-law. Yung brother naman niya, hindi ko alam kung asan yung isang brother. Iba dito, guys. Kasi hindi mo malalaman yung mga whereabouts kasi sobrang independent ng mga tao dito. Anyway, nakapagligo. 11:25 na. Naglaba pala ako, guys. And then may nangyari na naman sa ating yung dryer namin ay nahungaw na po na mong dryer. Naguba na po. Palitan na naman ni daddy ng parts. Ayun, nagbabasa yung asawa ko. Hindi pa naman kami alis. Kasi yung appointment mamaya pa mga 2:00. So, pero ay, putik nga. Hindi rin ako nagibutang. Wait, sabi. Tapos na yung last ko na laba. Dali namin itong nilaban ko today sa laundry mat. Doon kami magpapadryer. Diba, bragbuang. Ganito talaga, guys. But papalitan naman to ni husband kasi ang sabi niya sa akin, meron daw, papalitan to niya ng bago before to niya iparent sa iba, ha? Pero sayang kasi kung, pwede naman. Yung bago naming binili, nakabili na kami ng washer dryer, puro front load yung binili namin, guys. I know merong nagsuggest na top load daw yung sa washer, pero nag-research kasi ako, like I was researching, I think we will benefited more. There's more advantages if you are getting na front load na washer. So yun yung nakita ko, and we both are happy naman. Yung asawa ko ay walang pakialam yung asawa ko, guys, kung anong kukunin ko kasi ako naman yung maglalaba. Yun din naman siya. So nasusunod yung gusto ko when it comes to sa washer and dryer. Yeah, pero yung nabili namin siya sa Lowe's nung nag-Black Friday. Hindi ako nag-vlog. Well, actually, I was vlogging that time, but I was not able to edit that video. Yeah, we went to Lowe's. I forgot. After Thanksgiving, that was Thursday, Friday. So, nabili namin yung aming washer and dryer sa Lowe's. And then, naghanap din kami ng refrigerator doon sa Lowe's, which, funny because, yung asawa ko natatawa kasi, they are putting the display. Actually, hinahanap na namin to online kung ano yung gusto naming refrigerator na magkakasya doon sa bagong bahay. Yung sa refrigerator area. Naka-display siya doon sa Lowe's, guys, but unfortunately, hindi pala yun binibenta, out of stock. And then yung model or yung dinisplay nila doon, tinatanong ng asawa ko yung nandoon na lalaki. Sabi niya, hindi rin nila ibebenta yung display. And I was like, bakit? So, ang nangyari, guys, may nabili yung husband ko na same model, same brand sa Best Buy. Online niya binili. But, yeah, again, i-deliver nila yung mga item na yon na binili namin sa bagong bahay. And what nice about here, kasi pwede mo talagang schedule yung delivery. Like, pwede nilang i-keep yung item and then i-deliver lang nila pag, convenient para sa'yo. Kasi ayaw namin i-deliver here kasi paglilipat kami, ang dami naming gamit na kailangang dalhin sa bagong bahay, and of course, mas better kung doon na nila idiretso ba para pag kasi kami, guys, parang magre-rent yung asawa ko ng truck para madala yung mga gamit doon sa bagong bahay. Yung malalaking item lang naman meron kami dito is yung sa mat. mattress ng aming bed. Sobrang bigat niya kasi ang kapalan, mabigat talaga siya, guys. Still have time to bring it to the laundromat today? Yeah?
You ready to go?
Yeah, I'm already changing clothes. Where did you get these? Tingnan niyo, ang cute! Ala, meron akong idagdag sa display. Tingnan niyo yung... Oh my gosh. When the kids will see this, Kali! Looks like you, but it's yellow. Oh, ang ganda. Where did you get this?
That's a tester.
Huh?
It's a tester.
Yes? This is so cute. O, tingnan niyo. Yeah. Same na same sa dog namin, kaso yellow nga lang.
You notice it's metal on the bottom.
This one?
Yeah. See, it's metal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what will happen?
Well, you put it on this and to check if it's working.
I'm not getting... Makurintihan ba? Basta makurintihan ko? No? No electric for me? Uy! Oh,
It's not on.
so what will happen to this? It will jump.
That's just a way to check to make sure it's working once I turn it on.
Ano bang tawag niyan, babe? How you call that one? Couch protector for dogs?
We'll see how it works.
We'll see how it works. Binili ng asawa ko sa Amazon. Kasi, pagod na ako, guys. Every time, you knew this kasi in-explain ko naman to sa inyo, guys. So, every time na umaalis kami, walang tao dito, so we always like push our couch sa corner para yung aso namin hindi makasit or makatalon sa couch. Kasi every time na andun siya sa couch, guys, I know, we love this dog so much. But, na-frustrate ako. Frustrate ako kasi sobrang daming buhok na nasa couch. Napapagod ako kasi hindi siya easy to remove. And nakakainis. Nakakainis talaga. Kasi, like, gusto mo yung couch mo na malinis every time you sit. So, ayoko talaga na may buhok ng aso yung couch. So, bumili yung husband ko yung pang, daw yun guys, pang ground daw, in case pag maglilingkod. Pag uupo yung dog, mag-ground daw yung mag-ground. So, meaning parang ititrain yung dog na hindi na siya uupo sa couch. But we'll see kung mag-work ito because he said to me, magdedepende daw kung baka matolerate lang ni Kali yung ground, whatever. Hindi siya harmful ha, okay? This is for pet. This is for dog. So, the company that makes this one, this is not really like, it gonna kill the dog, ha? Parang pang witik lang ba? Something like that, para dili siya lingkod sa couch. Another box. Ikikip ko yung mga boxes sa Amazon because may box na akong paglalagyan ng mga regalo ba. Hindi na ako maghahanap ng mga box. So, ikikip natin. Alam nyo ba, niliguan to nila Yashli nung linggo. And then, pinalabas ko siya kahapon, guys. Alam nyo ginagawa nito? Nagligid-ligid sa bonbon. As in, sobrang dumi ng mukha, ng katawan, oh. Now, nakikita nyo, may mga dumi. Ganyan na ganyan yan pag lumalabas. Hugaw kayo! Mura kag stray dog. Mura kag walay tag-iya. Lipay pa kayo. You wanna go out before we go? Huh? You want? Go out para you can see? Stopping by here at gasoline station. TXB daw ang pangalan ng gasoline station, guys, here in College Station ba to? Hindi ko alam kung asan kami, but yeah, 12:46 supposedly pupunta kaming laundromat, di ba? Magpa-dry ng aming clothes. But apparently natagalan yung husband ko sa ng settings para sa dog bitaw. So sabi niya, sige mamaya na lang. So dala-dala namin yung clothes, guys. O mamaya na namin yan ipa-dry. But yeah, here nagpagas lang yung asawa ko. Nagpagas yung asawa ko. Hindi ko pa na-try na mag-gas. Here pala self-service yung gas nila. What?
Anything?
I just ate egg.
Huh?
I just ate 2 eggs.
I'm gonna use the bathroom.
Okay. I'll stay here.
I'll wait until it fills up and I'll pull over.
Okay. So, nagpunta kami kanina sa nagpunta kami kanina sa Best Buy kasi yung sinabi ko sa inyo, 'di ba, bumili kami ng refrigerator sa Best Buy. So Samsung yung brand na binili namin, and it has ano ba 'yon? 2 door, and then merong freezer which we both like. So ipapakita ko yung refrigerator once na mag-move na kami guys sa bagong bahay. Kinuha namin yung filter, water filter kanina kasi separate pala to. Sabi nila ando na yung water filter, so kinuha na namin para to sa refrigerator para magamit namin yung refrigerator. Pwede kami makainom ng tubig kasi yung binili namin na refrigerator din, meron siyang sa labas, yung parang paanuhan ng tubig at ice or crushed ice. Sorry, tinry ko ba, tikman lang yung tubig like from the gripo. Yeah, hindi lang ako sanay, but yeah, kailangan talaga ng filter when it comes to drinking water. Wala sila ng same sa Pinas ba na water station, yung bibili ka lang ng galon-galon na tubig. Wala dito, wala akong nakitang ganyan dito guys. So kailangan namin ng filter sa tubig para clean yung ating tubig. Tapos na, let's go. Bibili daw TXB. Classic na tricycle naman noon. What? That's Harley?
I don't know.
I wanna see. I'll go with you.
This is a Harley.
It's Harley. Diba sabi ko kanina hindi na ako bibili guys, pero alam ko kasi pagdating sa mga ganitong mga stopover na mga store, meron silang ganito. Favorite ko to, marble cake. Sobrang sarap ng marble cake nila. And then I got myself Fanta as well. Yung husband ko, he got French fries. Is this a fries?
Those are French fries.
And then a chicken sandwich. Yeah. Alright, so pupunta na tayo kay mom. Let's visit her today. Alam ko kasi Houston kami pupunta. Mali pala yung info ko kanina. We will be going to Huntsville ng DI, not in Houston. Left pala. So good. Kaibog ko. Lamig kayo. This is really good. I want to know how to bake this. Where are we? College Station?
Yeah. This is still University Drive here.
We're here na guys. We're just waiting for time. 1:50 in the afternoon pa. And I'm sure mom is not here yet. 2:30 yung kanyang appointment. So we will just wait. Napaaga kami. We are done na sa health center, or you called it medical center facility here in Huntsville. Nag-stop over lang kami dito sa Valero gasoline station. Meron silang maliit na tindahan. Pumasok si Bill. I don't know, I think he buys something, food maybe. And yun nga, it took us mga 2 hours. No, more than 2 hours talaga. Kasi yung matagal yung pag ni mom sa yung doctor ba, matagal, naglibot-libot pa siya. So but yeah, tinanggal yung, so ang nangyari kasi guys, I'll share lang a little bit because my husband ayaw talaga niya na, like, you know, personal thing. But yeah, mom has a surgery and then pinatanggal yung tin, or ano ba tawag, steeple. So yeah, something, hindi ko na explain more, basta may nangyari sa kanya, needs to be kailangan ipa surgery and everything. Wednesday today, December 4. Right, ako lang mag-isa guys. I'm alone here in the house because my husband went to see his ortho earlier. 8:40. Na late pa yun. Sabi niya, late na siya. Kasi hindi niya ma-remember yung schedule niya. Actually, he talked to me about it yesterday. Pero ako naman, ang dami ko din iniisip. I couldn't be able to remember. Na-late siya ng gising. But yeah, anyway. Umuulan sa labas. Wow. Kailangan ko pakainin yung dog natin. Yeah, ulan na ulan sa labas, guys. Yung forecast today, it will be raining until 12 noon, I think. Oh gosh. Kailangan i-message yung husband ko na bilhan ng road food yung aso. But, maybe he will be driving back here, straight home after his appointment. Kasi, plano namin yesterday, nag-usap na kami yesterday about it. Bibili kami ng mga boxes, guys. Empty boxes. Kasi, we have to start boxing stuffs. Stuffs na we basically don't need at this moment because yun nga, yung closing date ng house natin is by next week, which is Tuesday. And by Wednesday, kailangan na kami maghakot ng mga gamit. So, gusto ng asawa ko, like, because he has to hire people. And he doesn't want to hire someone na, like, to box things. Kasi, dito nga, you have to pay per hour. So, parang, kaya ko naman siyang gawin, like, to box things lang. So, ang kailangan lang niya talaga is to hire somebody to help him load stuffs inside the truck. Para, kasi, like meron kami mga gamit here na mga mabibigat. Like, for example, yung mattress namin sa bedroom, sobrang bigat nun. And, like, itong dining table, mabigat din to, guys. Meron kaming cabinet, not cabinet, like, itong shelves namin. Although, hindi naman siya ganun kabigat. But still, my husband needs help when it comes to carrying these heavy things. And, yeah, yun lang yung ano namin, like, I think we will hire someone for just helping him unload yung mga gamit. Kainin mo natin yung dog. Kali, your food is here. We also have to contact pala yung bus driver. I don't know if I talked to you about this one because parang magiging malayo kami konti. Not so much, but konti sa school nila, and we really have to find out if yung area where we are moving is same school ba yung kids? Still same school ba sila? But well, wait. Nasabi na pala sa akin ni Belle, si Nicole doesn't need to move or doesn't need to transfer. Apparently, we have to clarify first about Yashley's school. If, sana Lord talaga na she doesn't need to move or she doesn't need to transfer. That's because, of course, she made friends na sa new school niya ngayon. And then, it will make her sad if she has to transfer. But Belle told me that, we will figure it out. Like, for example, if kailangan talaga mag-transfer, sabi sa akin ng asawa ko, itong asawa ko, sobrang considerate talaga. Kasi inisip talaga niya yung, like si Ashley. Okay siya na ihatid na lang yung kids sa school. Kain ako kasi nagugutom ako. Mamaya na ako manilib. Linday. May natira pa sa ham. May natira pa sa ham, guys. Ham. May natira pa sa niluto ko kaninang umaga for Yashley. Maglalagay lang tayo ng ketchup. Kakain ako, di magkakape. Antayin ko yung asawa ko. Baka nga, bumili na yun ng box. Hindi ko alam, hindi pa nag-text sa akin. Or baka uwi muna yun bago bibili ng box. But yeah, magbabox tayo. Ang dami pa naman itong guys. Daming libro. He had so many books. Yung books na meron dito, like yung books niya, that's only 1/4 of his books. Ang dami niyang books sa storage. Plus, yung gagawin pala namin is we will be pulling out all the all the stuffs that he had in the storage para wala na kaming babayaran for storage because again, we have this big garage on the new house. So, sabi niya, sayang naman no, mag-pay pa siya ng storage fee just to keep his things. But, our plan is to pull them out para wala na siyang babayaran sa storage fee kasi ilalagay na namin siya sa aming garage. At the same time, what's amazing about this new house, meron kaming yung sa taas, I cannot remember, meron pangalan, ano bang tawag ito? Meron siyang, ano ba pangalan nun? Attic. So, we can also store things in the attic, but we have to pile some slabs there para secured, but hello, na squirrel, guys. Na squirrel. But we're not allowed to. Ayun. Wait. Kita nyo? Ay, ayun, hindagan. But I think we're not allowed to put heavy things in the attic kasi parang nakakatakot, no? But sabi ng husband ko, okay lang as long as we put slabs. Yung sa ano. But yeah, we are so glad getting this house for us. It feel relief. I feel relief na kasi we have more space. At the same time, wala na akong kalaban sa aking living area. You know why? Kasi yung asawa ko, hindi na niya gamitin yung living area to train. Meron na siyang garage to train. Because honestly, living here, he really loves karate, guys, and I cannot really take it away from him. That's what he loves so much. Since before he met me, he's been doing karate. So that's something that he really wanted to do. And I don't want to be unsupportive naman kasi, you know, it's really good for him. At the same time, it helps him with, you know, pag nagte-training ka, like healthy body, yung mga ganon. So, meron na naman siyang bagong student. So, before, it's only one. But this time, meron na siyang pangalawa. My husband is here. Umuulan pa, guys. Uy. Tahan natin yung asawa ko. Laki ng payong namin, oh. You need some help? You okay? Woo. It's raining so hard. Yeah. Sus. Ang lamig sa labas. Super lamig. Okay, dito na yung boxes natin, guys. Akala ko sasama ako sa kanya para bumili ng box. But anyway, bumili na siya ng box. Small boxes lang to bili. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 boxes. So, yung plano namin, guys, yung mga clothes lang, kukunin namin yung luggages para dun sa luggage namin lalagay yung clothes. But yung, like yung books niya, lalagay namin sa boxes. Dami niyang books dito eh. And some other things. Hello? But at least those boxes are ready na. And then the dog food is here. Kelly, you have your dog food na.
Maybe.
What's this? A photo?
Cornbread.
You have to bake. Of course you have to bake. You mix it with egg, milk.
Yep.
We can make this. Is this good? Have you tried this before?
Huh.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah? We can try one. Let's see how it tastes. Guy, migara. Migara ang ulan. Yung kusog mo noon. Ashley! Go na! Ligo na! yeah, nagpapalit kami ng time sa ligo time. That's because, guys, sobrang lamig nga po here. Early morning. Sobra pong lamig. Kawawa naman yung mga bata kung papaliguin natin ng maaga. Sobrang lamig, guys. May na-aksidente daw kanina. Nakita niya. 3 car. So, sabi ko sa kanya, dasal talaga kayo always before kayo umalis ng bahay. Kasi, it's scary. Hindi kasi natin alam talaga kung, you know, yung accident. Naku, wala tayong control sa accident. Kaya, always pray talaga. And, hindi sila yung aksidente ha. May 3 car lang na aksidente. Magluluto ako ng rice. Ako! Saan mo na ito? Kabalo na ko kung saan na ito nga ito ang... We had adobo yesterday. So, aanhin ko tong chicken. Ay, wala tayo mo carrots. Gusto ko sana magluto ng... Or yung isa na lang. Ay, ito na lang kayang pork. Ganda ng flower. Pinakita ko ba ito sa inyo? Binili sa akin ng husband ko nung... Hindi ko na malala. But few days ago. Maganda, di ba? What? Fry na lang ako ng chicken, guys. Okay. Wala ko yung may vegetables. I don't have vegetables to use. Ay, pwede man ako magsabaw, no? Magsabaw ako. I think I still have, I think so. Ay, nako. Anyway, meron pa naman akong chicken. Pwede ko yun sabaw tomorrow. I think. But for now, sige, fried chicken muna tayo. Of course, kasi love tayo ni Ma'am Juris. Meron pa akong dito, crispy fry. Gamit tayo ng crispy fry. Tell them why you have to, ligo in the afternoon.
Because tomorrow we won't take a bath.
In the morning, Kai?
Yes, because we're lazy.
Bastos! Tugnaw, guys, sobra. Like 4 degrees Celsius. But anyway, meron kaming heater. Pero suggestion yun ni Bella na hindi maligo ng maga. Kasi kawawa talaga mag-frozen. Mag-freeze talaga sila. Tugnaw. Iyon ang ipa. Kanina katong para mag-warm ang water. Uy, ito. Ayaw, idaso. Kaya mo blow ang smoke. Dira, nilipin ako siya isang kuwante para ang smoke niya diri sa mag...
Man, may substitute teacher ba sa math?
Okay.
Oh gosh!
What?
Rangki ka ayun! Ha? Wala man yung gitagab unsa. Wala man gid nga. Unsay buhaton so kami dito tanan data nga. Wala man buhat.
Yes.
Ano ang charger dihatag mo?
Maybe nasa box? I have no idea. Ay, ato daraw sa side ni Daddy. Ito yung lingkuran pag magbasa siya ang book. Ito yung chair nga bago. Pero, dira side. Tapos.
Asian siya.
Asian?
Rangki kasi ito.
Well,
Ingon lang, tanan sa
bayi?
Huh? 11:13.
Yung nga tumatag sa'yo?
Abot ni mo, ikaw may gusto.
Sa oras sa abot ito?
And what time were we there?
10:50.
So everybody showed up 20 minutes later.
Susala na ako, guys.
Who gave us the time?
Blame the shadow.
Why didn't you know the time? You're the one who
No,
was
she
going.
said it to me. She said it to me that's 11:15, but I said,
13.
okay, 13. But I said, okay, we have to go early, Kate. You know.
So what did you learn from this? What did you learn? No, what did you learn?
That you have to tell Daddy instead of me.
That you should tell the time to the person who's driving.
Let's do this, Callie. Are you gonna help me, Callie? I'll just put label kasi para hindi tayo mahirapan ba to identify kung ano yung mga nasa Nasa loob ng box. Pero maliit ng box. Lipat bahay gang. Guys, dumating na yung box. Pinadala ni Ma'am Joris. Let's open this one. Ngayon lang na-receive. Akala ko kahapon to dadating. But anyway. Ito yung pinigay ni Ma'am Joris sa akin for Christmas. Sabi niya, advance na niya pagbigay kasi they will be out of the country. Hindi na siya, wala na siyang time daw. So, pinadala niya sa akin, guys. And I already knew what's inside. But of course, I still wanna do an unboxing video. Mga Filipino food to, guys. Meron na kaming ginamos. And bulad. And bulad. Kasi may bulad yun eh. Sabi niya kasi buksan ko agad kasi mayroong frozen goods. So, kailangan ilagay agad sa refrigerator. Pero, pinaglagyan naman daw ng ice, guys. So, parang like, pinadala something. Or ilagay siguro sa secured na storage na may ice. From Philippines to you. So, ito yung company nila sa California, guys. Ano ba pangalan nun? Sukli. Ito, Sukli siya. Oh! Lala! One by one ang ako. Wala! Ipakapinag Hansel. Tayo ang pansit canton. Tinanggal na nila. Hindi na nila lagay sa packaging. Tinanggal nila, guys. Ayan, oh. Wow! Sarap naman. Salamat! Hala! Naipan! Wait lang. Ibutang sa ano? Sa salub. Sa salub muna yan, guys. Kaya na-excited ko sa pan. There you go. Pansit canton. Hala! Hindi naman ka pansit canton. I-check ko mamaya yung sa ano, sa paper. Basta. Pandikoko! Hala ka! Pandikoko! Pandikoko! Thank you, Ma'am Joyce. Thank you so much. Meron tayong Century, guys. Century tuna. And then, meron tayong ano to? Hala, ang ginamos! Tara, ang ginamos, oh. Oh, special bagoong. And then, lechon meat. And then, ano to? Uy, orange. Sweets candy. Candy. And then, ano to? Rabbit, white rabbit. Tama, white rabbit. Sa Pinas to white rabbit, diba? And then, anong pangalan nito? Ubi. Basta ubi siya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ubi. Lakad. Sweet ba ni Ma'am Joris? And then, ang akong bulad. Bulad. Babe! Dried fish. Your favorite. Hindi niya favorite. Puset. Tagboy, salamat kay Ma'am Joris. Thank you. And then, meron pang pansit canton here. Ah, may isa pang bulad. Sabi ko sa inyo, 3 bulad to eh. Pansit canton. Dalawang Nescafe. Thank you so much. And then, mais. Bisimutan. Sweet corn. Yan. And then, dito na yung pinaka. Ilagay. Ay, oo nga. Naka-fuel. Naka-fuel? Fuel. Oh my gosh, thank you. Hindi na ako makapagkintay. Supposedly, mamaya ay nasa school yung mga kids. Pero, sabi niya kasi buksan ko na kasi meron ng ano, frozen. Wala, bukat siya. Sabi ko magluluto tayong spaghetti sa Pasko. Very ano talaga, timing. Kasi gusto ko talaga mag-spaghetti sa Christmas. Yung Filipino spag. Kasi yung spaghetti nila dito, guys, dami. Iba-iba yung spaghetti natin sa Pinas. Na yung lasa ba, sweet, and ano, pero dito ay white ka sweet. Grabe kasi pure packaging, ha? So, pag nasa US kayo guys, and if you need like mga Pinoy food at hindi siya available sa Asian store, bili kayo sa Sukli. Oh, may cake. Ay, oo nga, may ice nga. Cold pack. Nilagyan ka ng cold pack. Thank you very much. Meron, hala, as in, bro, saging. Sabang na saging. Kaya nga kung chips ang ipadala, as in real na sabang na saging, oh. Hala ako, oh. And then kikyam. Oh, thank you. And then, duha ka sabang. Ayan, whole. Ay, luto na siya. Inito na lang. Alo, nice. Thank you. And then, oh, tender, juicy, pure foods. Hotdog. Mahal kayo ni sa Asian store, guys. I'm telling you. Lagay na natin to sa freezer, guys. Thank you so much. Mag-send ako ng picture kay Mama Jerry. Kaya, alam ko yung makaka-happy sa kanya eh. Pag letting her know na na-receive ko yung package. So, that makes her happy. So, thank you. Ang laki ng hotdog, ah. I haven't seen like this in the Philippines. Or, hindi lang ako nakapunta ng malalaking mall. But, yeah. Haba, malaki. Haba, malaki. Thank you so much. Makapag-spaghetti na rin. No one will touch this. Picking up Yashli. She has a tutorial in mathematics, guys. Kaya di siya makasakay sa bus. So, we're going to pick her up. Nicole is here. Timing na timing pagbaba sa bus. Sabi namin, sama ka? What candy is this?
Jolly Rancher.
Is this good? Have you tried this?
Oh, na pero dili ka na ang flavor ko kasi ano.
I think this is lemon.
Yellow.
Hala, we have a pan.
Pan?
Yeah, Ma'am Joyce. Ang yung package. It already arrived earlier. I cannot open. I have one hand.
Kuan? Pandisan?
Boko pan.
Buko panda?
Boko. Ano yun? Dala ni kami. She was like, pick up pa manin mo. You have to move. Move to the other side. Kaya she has to sit there. She didn't see us. She's like, wow.
I'm like,
What?
I should have went around them.
What? Hi, Ashley.
Hi, Ashley.
Hi, Ashley.
Ayan, tutorial.
How was the tutorial today? Huh?
Ha?
Uy, careful na.
Uy.
She's alright. There's nothing coming.
Sige, sige, look.
And,
You said 5. It's 5:02.
surprise ka nga nako.
Are you surprised that Ate is with us? Kina-catch up na mo si Ate pagbaba niya sa bus if she wants to go.
Sa bus, then galak-wala ko. Nakita din ako si Juan, nakakita ko car pero ko vlog punsa until nakita ko ulo.
Oh. Pagluto ako ng chicken nuggets and then french fries for the kids.